Everybody hollering, stop the violence and put the guns down. In a city where everybody got one now. Would you rather get caught with it or caught slipping? See, I'm in here thinking about when y'all did it. He gotta take the chrome when he leave the crib, cause he gotta make it home, gotta see his kid. The money calling, niggas is lurking, trying to come up when he go to get it. It's on him in case they try to run up. Police call it a weapon, he call it protection. Put his trust in the clip, and he hoping that it protect him. These days that's just the way of life. Might cost a sucker theirs, or it might just save a life. Don't get it fucked up, I don't condone taking a life. I'm just keeping it real, I ain't saying it's right. You ever thought about this shit through the eyes of a burner, and how they take the hit every time that there's a murder? Whenever somebody gets smoked, they blaming me, like fuck I'm supposed to do. Shit, he came to me. Niggas stay close and keep me right beside him, to even the odds. They call me the equalizer. I only smoke when I'm under pressure. Lose my grip and click in the summer weather. When I'm called on, all I know is how to deliver. So stop checking me and look at the nigga pulling the trick.